Protect It, a custom-fit dental guard from Dentemp, is the most comfortable and affordable solution to gently and effectively protect against nighttime teeth grinding. Unlike most guards, which are thick and bulky, the thin, ultra-soft material provides full teeth protection and can be custom formed without a fitting tray in just minutes. At a fraction of the cost of other guards, Protect It is individually wrapped and packaged in 4 and 8 count packs for ultimate convenience and value. Protect It is also the only dental guard of its kind that is FDA cleared to treat bruxism. Stop the nightly grind and protect your teeth with Protect It by Dentemp.